This video is about MSI App Player. So if you are looking for the best Android emulator for PC, the MSI App Player is the best one for other PCs, and it's good to run the apps, Android games, everything on your PC. Okay, so first thing you need to go to the MSI App Player official website. Okay, and this is the website. Okay, so we need to click here download. Okay, so I click download and small file is downloaded here. I will open it. Okay, and I will extract here. Okay, extract here. You need the WinRAR on your PC. Okay, so I do extract here. So right now I need to install the player. Okay, so after we extract the file, we get this MSI App Player runner. Okay, so I double click on it, and we will wait some. We choose yes, and after that uh, new window is pop up. So I click install now, and here we can see the version. Okay, so we click install now, and you need internet to download the all MSI App Player files. Yes, you need the internet on your PC. Okay, to download all MSI Player files and options. Okay, so we will wait until this download is finished and we go back again. Okay, so as you can see, the MSI App Player is completely finished downloading the files. Okay, so my internet speed is good, so that's why um, the download speed is very fast. Okay, so we will wait some seconds, and right now the MSI App Player is checking the system requirements, and he will optimize the the emulator with your PC requirements. Yes, so that's why I say this is the best low-end PC emulator or the best Android player for your PC. Okay, so they say pause your PC antivirus if it is interfacing with the installation. So if you have problems on installation this app player, just disable the antivirus from your PC until the MSI App Player finish install. Okay, so don't forget that. This is the main thing. So after the MSI App Player finish installation on your PC, they gives you this small instructions and this later. So here is the games you can run it on your MSI App Player, like Call of Duty Mobile and FC Mobile, many things here. Okay, so I go here to the place that we can put apps on it. Okay, so we'll wait starting MSI App Player. There it is. Right now I click OK, and here is here some apps here. The Play Store, your email, Gmail on your Play Store, and open it and install games and apps from Play Store. Things also later, and from here we can change the MSI App Player settings. Okay, so for me, graphic engine mode. For me, my PC is good, so I will choose performance. But if your PC is not good or is not fast, you can put it here. Okay, the same thing with the graphic render. Okay, so also the game settings here, and the display of course, and here is the also the performance settings. Okay, so put the settings uh, with your requirements of the PC. Okay, for me, my PC is good, so I put high. If your PC is medium, put it medium, and if your PC is low, put it low. The same thing on the memory. Okay, so if you have good RAM, um, put it, for example, 8 giga or more. Okay, for me or for my PC, I would, okay. If your PC is it's medium, put it 2, and if your PC is low end, is not fast, put it basic. Okay, same thing here for the performance mode. Okay, so the main or the best thing is put it on balance. Okay, so here is the video, and this video is about how to install MSI App Player on your PC. It's very easy. So if you like this video, share share the video with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.